See, when means structure, stereo means three-dimensional view. So why we need to study about a compound? Let us take an example. Let us take one example. This is a simple molecule which has hydroxyl group on the left side or right side. Which side? Right side. This is what? Right side. So this is a simple molecule which has the hydroxyl group on the right side. So when you take the plain polarized light, the plain polarized light takes the ordinary light which travels in various planes and it converts into a light which passes through a single plane. So, a polarimeter is an apparatus or an instrument which converts the plain polarized light, which converts the ordinary light into plain polarized light. So what is the purpose of polarimeter is? The polarimeter converts the ordinary ray of light into plain polarized light. When you pass a plain polarized light through a substance which has the property of rotating this light, then that particular compound is said to be optically active. The compound is said to be optically active. So here, the purpose of the light property determines the configuration. What is the purpose of light property is? It gives the three-dimensional structure idea. So the light property, if it rotates the light towards right, if it rotates the light towards the left, it gives an idea about the configuration. So configuration means spatial arrangement. So what is configuration? Spatial arrangement. So when we are talking about a bond character like methane, this is a system where it is made up of one carbon and four hydrogen. It is called as symmetrical system. It is called as symmetrical system. That means the four electronegative atoms, they form a shape like tetrahedron. So methane obeys Bayes' rule. Methane obeys Bayes' rule. So the optical activity of the plain polarized light study the property of all the organic compounds which has a property of rotating, thereby it infers where the group is present. So what is the significance of studying optical isomerism is, when you completely study a structure, you have rotation towards right, it gives an idea that that particular functional group is on the right side. I'll explain this with an example. You take any compound like dextroform. Dextroform means it rotates the plane polarized right side. Levoform means anti-clockwise or left side. So when you take a structure, imagine there is a X compound which is available in the market. This dextromethaform. The purpose of dextromethaform is, it is an antihistamine which comes under the category of antitussive. It controls the cough. So dextromethaform hydrochloride, it controls your cough. So if you take levomethaform, it does not have its activity. So when you take a small change in the arrangement, then one particular isomer is biologically active, other one is weakly active or no active. Okay, so By means of light property, we are going to find out the biological activity. So, optical isomerism is a particular topic which helps us in order to isolate a particular structure which gives drug receptor binding activity to a fruitful tree. So, here we optical activity padikona. Structurally, a small change can also become a big change in the binding affinity. So we can conclude here, stereoisomerism is a basic topic which determines all the chemical structure which are used medicinally acting as